Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the latest update from Canonical. Ubuntu 24.0 4.1 LTS is officially here. Whether you're using Ubuntu on your desktop, server, or even IoT devices, this update is packed with essential bug fixes and stability improvements that you'll definitely want to hear about. So, let's break down what's new and why it matters. So, what's the deal with Ubuntu 24.0 4.1 LTS? Well, this is the first point release of the 24.04 LTS series, and it's all about polishing up the initial release. Canonical has focused on fixing bugs and improving stability across all platforms: desktop, servers, IoT devices, you name it. Now, if you're running any Linux distributions based on Ubuntu LTS, like KDE Neon, this update is particularly important. For instance, KDE Neon is currently rebasing its software from Ubuntu 22.04 to 24.04 to take full advantage of the new features and enhance stability. Before we get into what's new in 24.04.1, let's quickly recap the major updates that came with the original 24.04 release back in April. The GNOME 46 desktop environment brought in an expanded file manager search, expandable notifications, and consolidated settings options. ZFS encryption was added for better data security, and the installation process got a facelift, making it more user-friendly. Managing your software is now more streamlined with the new App Center, and a dedicated firmware update app makes keeping your system up to date easier than ever. For developers, Ubuntu 24.04 included the latest tool chains for languages like Python, Rust, Ruby, Go, PHP, and Perl, along with support for popular frameworks like OpenCV, TensorFlow, Keras, PyTorch, and Kubeflow. Now, let's talk about what's new in 24.04.1 LTS. This update might not be as flashy as a full version release, but it's crucial for anyone who values system stability. It includes a slew of bug fixes and minor improvements that are especially beneficial if you're running the standard Ubuntu distribution. For enterprise users, there's a lot to be excited about too. The update includes an improved networking configuration tool, NetPlan 1.0, which offers better wireless compatibility and usability. Canonical Landscape is another addition, a powerful tool for monitoring and managing your Ubuntu machines, especially useful for IT admins to maintain compliance. Integration with Active Directory and group policy objects makes managing Ubuntu instances in enterprise environments much easier, allowing admins to use familiar tools and processes. And for those of you who need extended support, Ubuntu Pro is offering a whopping 10-year security maintenance period, plus 12 years of total support. This is a game changer for organizations relying on Ubuntu for their operations. So, how can you get your hands on Ubuntu 24.04.1 LTS? If you haven't installed Ubuntu yet, you can download the latest version directly from Canonical's website. But if you're already using Ubuntu, just keep an eye out for a system update. It should be rolling out to you soon. Alright, that's a wrap for today's update. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Linux and tech content. Let me know in the comments what you're most excited about in Ubuntu 24.04.1 LTS. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.